is up, guys? As you can see, I have my 2022 Mach 1 handling pack, grabber blue, beautiful car, up on the hoist at my shop today. Well, my wife has given me the okay to tear out this exhaust and put on my Flowmaster Outlaws that I had on my black one, because it is just not loud enough. Even after we did the Roush H pipe, it's still not loud enough for me or her. She actually wants it louder. So we're gonna peel this off, unhook the power off of these, unhook all this, drop them down, and put the Flowmaster Outlaws on and really liven this car up. So these tiny ass things is all the muffler is. Massive difference to this monstrosity right here. So it'll be significantly louder. I am gonna miss these big tips, although these ones are pretty big as well. So hopefully it doesn't change that look too much. We'll see. Who knows? Maybe once I get these on the car, I won't even like it. I liked it on my other one, but the Mach 1s do sound a little different than the GTs. So I love these on my GT. I have no idea what it's gonna sound like on the Mach 1, but we will see. And we'll go from there. Maybe I'll get them on there, drive for a couple days, and go fuck that shit and put this stuff back on. So let me get the everything ripped off the bottom of it here, and we'll get started. The Alps with the Mach 1s or the Shelbys, when they pull this off, have all this gravel and dirt in it. This car is, since I've owned it, never gone down a dirt road or a gravel road, nor will it ever. And the funniest part is, I had that cover off about 100 kilometers ago, already off once. That's just shit on the road that, unfortunately, the way it's designed, the car just picks up. That's annoying, that sucks. Anyway, as you can see, sorry about my camera there. The cover's off. It is a little loud in here. My air compressor is running. It'll stop in a second. But the cover's off. So now we can just unbolt here and here, as well as that bolt right there and one underneath. Now we'll drop this exhaust off once we unplug it. And the same on that side. Then the entire active exhaust can come off right from here, and we'll put on them. All right, guys, I got my exhaust done on my Mach 1. This is the exhaust off of my 2016. This is the Flowmaster Outlaws that get rid of the rasp on the 16. Now the Mach 1 did not have that. As you can see, nice black tips. That's it for the muffler. The only thing I will say that I'm not a fan of with this exhaust over the factory active exhaust in the Mach 1 is the tips aren't as big. So I will be getting that changed at a later date, just put bigger tips on it just to fill in the hole a little bit better. But I did have to get 2 pieces made because I didn't want to cut up the factory active exhaust at all. So if I ever want to put it back on, I can. So I had 2 pipes made, and I'll show you them right now. So I had the muffler shop next door make that pipe and that pipe. I needed the bend in it because the active exhaust on the factory ran all the way to the H pipe, and I didn't want to cut this. That way I could still use it. So I just had them bend me up those 2 pipes to connect it without having to damage my other exhaust. But I do like the way it looks. The black tips definitely make it look a little nicer. I just wish they were a little bit bigger. That's my, I keep looking up, I'm looking at my carts on the hoist. It does look a little funny. As you can see, the hole for where the tips used to be is significantly a different size. So, but we'll get it down, fire it up, and let you guys hear it. I will say that this is a little nicer than the active where it just stays loud, because I don't leave my car being quiet. I like it being loud. So let me get down off the hoist and fire it up. definitely sounds a lot better than what it used to. Weirdly enough though, it is the H-pipe and the full axle back exhaust off my 2016 GT, and my GT sounded louder. I don't understand it. They're both Coyotes. This is just a 3rd gen Coyote, but it shouldn't change the way the car sounds when I'm using the exact same exhaust on the same motor, just a little bit newer. So it's kind of odd that it did that, but whatever. It still sounds good. Hopefully it doesn't have a lot of drone. I'll get it out, go for a ride in it, and get up to highway speeds and see what it sounds like. But as for now, that's the Flowmaster Outlaws with a Roush H-pipe on the exhaust. So I'm pretty happy with it for now. It is a pretty car. First test drive with the new exhaust. Love the sound, but again, just looking back here and seeing those tips, they look too small. Definitely gonna have to fix that. Yeah, that sounds good. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Till the next one, stay weird.